Why do 80% of Igbo people honor the sand on market days? Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. You are highly blessed and empowered to be creative with your brains and 5 fingers to develop the earth and make life easy for humans to have a better life, while witnessing the creation of our Creator Chukwu Okike Abiama, the owner of the wind, water and sand, that empowering humans' body to be active and also monitors humans' good and bad to avoid blacklist after death. Rejoice for your existence on earth. You are safe and secure. Witnessing the creation of our Creator, no humans can accuse you wrongly because wind, water and sand monitor human action without error. Sand empowers our creativity and connects us to Chukwu Okike Abiama, the creator of wind, water and sand. Today is Monday, September 9th, 2024, also known as AFO, Market Day in Igbo land. Be blessed. Today, Monday, we are celebrating the sand by presenting the sand to our Creator to blessings and increase the power of the sand to be productive to benefit humans' lives in their creativity to support humanity. The sand doesn't just support our feet, it monitors our actions, ensuring we live righteously and avoid the blacklist after death. From Obi Nnukwu Chineke, the blessings of the universe. Onye Ndu Ikuku Achinike, the messenger of truth afterlife.